Every girl has a different type of guy that they like. For example, some might like blonde guys with blue eyes, while others like the brown-haired guys with green eyes. One thing that is similar though is the qualities that girls are looking for within a guy. Most of these qualities come from our caveman days, but they have been adapted for the modern day world. It's important though that you work on these so that you are desirable as possible to the opposite sex. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the qualities that girls are looking for in men. And it's obvious, display these qualities and then your look with the ladies will most definitely shoot up. Like and subscribe, let's go. Girls want guys who are confident. Confidence is key when you are trying to land a high value lady. One of the keys to displaying confidence when you start seeing a girl is not understanding what you bring to the table. Now think about all your top qualities. Maybe you are really good at talking to anyone who walks into a room, whereas the girl that you are seeing is a little bit more on the shy side. Well, that's one thing that you can bring to the table that she doesn't. You might also be a great listener, which is a trait that girls absolutely love. And that is something else that you bring to the table. So knowing all of these little things that make you a catch and then reminding yourself about them can actually help you to be confident in yourself, and this will show. Girls want guys who can take care of themselves. Overall, girls simply want a guy who looks after himself. This means on a mental and a physical level. They of course want you to wash your face, but they also want you to process your emotions in a healthy way. Girls are looking for that well-rounded guy that they can spend time with and enjoy doing some amazing things with. Now, it's not really that hard to understand. Girls just want guys that can look after themselves and then look after the girl too. Now, let me give you a small hack. Feeling confident will make you act confident. I'm sure you felt it. You put on a new suit, a new jacket, get a new hairstyle, and you feel like $1,000. Now, this act of doing something like this will make you feel confident so that you act confident. And then women will assume that you can take care of yourself because, well, it looks like you figured out how to win in life. So just like I mentioned before, dressing to impress and you are halfway there to feeling like a badass. And nothing will make you feel more like the best catch ever than having skin that's going to make you look like you are actually carved and put together by the gods of attraction. Seriously, having great looking skin and looking well groomed will turn heads. And that is why I'm super excited to have Tiege Hanley as the sponsor of today's video. Tiege Hanley makes everything so simple to start and maintain a skincare routine without having to leave your sofa or stepping foot into a beauty store. Amazing, right? If skincare is completely brand new to you, don't you worry. Start with the level 1 system, which is what I have right here. It's perfect for those people that don't really know what to do. Now, this contains all of the basics to make your skin look amazing. Inside this level 1 system, you will receive a daily face wash, a gentle exfoliating scrub that you can use 2 times a week to reveal that youthful and plump skin, and it gives you an amazing healthy glow. I've used it myself, I love it. You also get an AM moisturizer that contains a vital SPF of 20 to prevent aging and to protect your skin from sun damage, and also a PM moisturizer to nourish and hydrate your skin whilst you sleep. Now, you also get this, which I think is the best part of Tiege Hanley. This is a handy guide that walks you through everything that you need to apply, in what steps, and also a little place where you can squish out the products so that you're not overusing or underusing. Genius. Even female skincare does not contain something like this. So not only will you have amazing looking skin, but members of Tiege Hanley receive tons of benefits, including at least 25% off the retail price. And you can customize this box. You can go up in the levels, add more products. You can focus on anti-wrinkles, on serums, nourishment. You can pause and cancel your subscription at any time. If you live in the US, you get free shipping, and they do offer low cost shipping to most countries. And because Teach Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they are offering my viewers a great deal. Just click the first link in the description, and not only will you get Teach Hanley for the best possible price, but they will also give you a free gift with your first box. So click that link and get started for just $30. Girls want guys who have a solid head on their shoulders. Do you approach situations with panic or a level head? Girls are looking for guys who can keep their cool when they are under pressure. They want a guy who is dependable, who is steadfast, meaning they are always there for them no matter what. They want a guy they can trust and share their life with. And some guys are only interested in one-night stands and messing around. Girls don't want a guy like this. They want someone that they can go on those long walks with, have in-depth chats, and watch movies with. They want someone that they can take home to their parents and introduce to their friends. It can be scary to have to settle down like this just so you can attract a lady, but it's worth it because you are far more likely to find a high-value lady. Girls want guys who dress well, look good, feel good, as the saying goes. It doesn't need to be a very expensive method of making yourself look good. She's not going to be expecting designer brands. She just doesn't want you to wear clothes that have holes in or stains and look very tatty. So keep your wardrobe fresh and updated, and you will always look the part. Girls want guys who share the same values as them. Values are a very interesting topic. We have a set of values that are given to us by our parents at a young age. And these are the things that our parents taught us whilst we were growing up, like to always be kind and share our things with others. And we then gain more values along the way when we decide what we think is right or wrong. Now, these values then shape who we are as a person. And when a girl is looking for a guy, she wants someone who shares similar values to her. For example, if one of her values is that she loves to volunteer her time to help charities, then she would love to have a partner who values the same things as her. They don't have to be identical because we are all unique, but they need to be similar enough. This does mean that not every girl would be your perfect match, but there are also plenty of girls who would. Girls want guys who are positive. Nobody likes a negative, complaining Nancy, do they? Not at all. Now, a girl wants a guy who is a positive person. If you are doom and gloom all of the time, then you're only going to bring her down. She wants you to be as excited about life as she is. Of course, everyone has hard times, and this can mean that we can sometimes become sad and angry, but overall, she wants someone who is going to be a positive force in her life. Girls want guys who are emotionally mature. Maturity is huge for girls when they're looking for a man. Actual maturity is important, especially if they are going to introduce you to people who are important to them. They also want a man who has emotional maturity, and this is when you can process and recognize your own emotions, but also recognize her emotions as well. Girls want guys who have integrity. Now, girls often find that looks don't matter as much as they think they do. What matters most is that a guy has traits like integrity. This is an important one, and it means that you live by your own moral code and stand up for what you believe in. You don't need to have a Nobel Peace Prize, but for example, if you saw an old lady getting yelled at on the street, your moral code would kick in and you would go over and help her. This is having integrity, and girls can tell whether you have it within the first couple of dates. Girls want guys who have good manners. There is nothing worse than when you're on a date in a nice restaurant, everything is going well, and then the guy that you are with starts to click at the waiter. It's rude and shows a lack of manners. Girls want guys who have good manners because you don't want to take a rude person home to meet your parents. They also don't want to be embarrassed by your bad manners or feel ashamed to be seen with you in public. It's as simple as saying your pleases and your thank yous, pulling out her chair, and being polite to everyone around her. I am sure that you all already have great manners, which would make you very attractive to the ladies. Girls want guys who go to the gym. It does not have to be to the gym specifically, but girls like it when guys look after themselves, like we mentioned at the start of the video. They want you to work out and to be physically fit. Now, this does date back to caveman times, which I talked about at the beginning of the video. Men have to be fit back then because they were needed to hunt for food and run away from pterodactyls, tigers, saber-toothed tigers, all that jazz. Now, girls still want to be protected by their man, so when they work out, they feel like they could look after them physically, plus they look nice as well. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.